Imagine this. You are 60 years old, retired, nasa Pilipinas, nasa bukid, nag-i-enjoy, walang problema sa pera. Feels like a dream, right? Pero what if sabihin ko sa'yo, posible yan if you starts now. With just a few simple steps. Yes, it is possible. And now, ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano i-prepare ang sarili mo for retirement. It's either sa Philippines or sa Canada. Stay tuned because I'm about to reveal the 4 easy steps to prepare your future for retirement. These steps are so easy, even if you're busy, you can set it and forget it. Hindi mo kailangan na maging financial expert or maraming pera para magsimula. So what's the secret? Keep watching. Hi, I'm Pinoy Personal Finance and welcome to my channel. My mission is to educate Filipinos about saving, investing, and personal finance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon para updated ka sa mga new videos ko. Let's get started. If you are ready to start investing, my referral link is in the description below. Help you open an account easily. By using my link, I will receive a small commission and you will receive a bonus as well. Bago tayo magsimula, ano ba ang pangkaraniwang mali ng mga tao kapag nag-i-invest? The number one reason is hindi sila nagsisimula. But don't worry, in this video, I will teach you how to start investing and prevent that. And mag-take action para sa future self mo. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Don't worry, madali lang to. I recommend using Wealthsimple Trade. Beginner-friendly siya and you can actually start for as low as $1. Plus, if you open an account using my link, we will both receive a $25 bonus. Just sign up, verify your identity, then boom, you can start investing. Step 2, set up a recurring buy for index fund ETFs. Paano ba mag-set up ng recurring buy sa mga index funds or ETF? For this example, we are going to use Wealthsimple app. I'm assuming meron ka na account like TFSA, RSP, or FHSA. After you open the app, you just need to log in your personal information, your password, or your username. And then for this example, we are going to use the TFSA. On the upper right corner, merong settings. You just need to press it. And then scroll down. Under automations, merong nakalagay recurring investments. It's off at the moment, so you just need to turn it on. Set up recurring investment. And then for this example, we are going to use VFV or the S&P 500. You need to type the ticker symbol, VFV. And then at the bottom, you need to press buy. Then you set the amount like you want to invest every month, like $20, $50, $100. For this example, we're going to use $20 and then review, confirm recurring investment. After you confirm it, automatic every month, bibili na siya ng shares ng VFV for $20. Next, pumili ka ng mga index fund ETFs like VFV, ZSP, or XEQT. Ang maganda sa mga ito, once na bumili ka ng one share, is like you're buying the whole basket of stocks na diversified na agad. I recommend na mag-set up ng monthly automatic buys or recurring buys. Ang ibig sabihin ng recurring buy is mag-automate ka ng amount to buy the shares every month, regardless of the market condition. Sa ganitong paraan, hindi mo na kailangan pang i-check or i-monitor every day ang investment mo. This is automatic already and let the compounding works for you. Step 3, enable dividend reinvestment. This is the magic part. You just need to go to your Wealthsimple app and turn on the dividend reinvestment. Ibig sabihin, kapag nagbigay ng dividend ang ETF or index fund mo sa brokerage, instead of cash, automatic binibili nila ng sarili nilang shares. Over time, ito ang susi para sa compounding growth. Ang sekreto ng long term for building wealth. Step 4, set it and forget it. You just need to buy it every month. Kahit anong presyo, it's either up or down. You don't need to check the market every day. Hindi mo kailangan mag-check ng mga news. You just need to put money in your account, invest it, and forget about it. Simple lang, di ba? Hindi mo na kailangan tutukan like every day ang news or stock market. Let the compounding works for you. So let's do a recap. Step 1, open a brokerage account. Referral link is in the description. Step 2, set up a recurring buy for index funds. Step 3, enable dividend reinvestment. And step 4, set it and forget it. That's it. And your future self, your 60 years old self will thank you for doing this. Hindi mo na kailangan maghintay pa na tumanda ka or mag-retire. You can start now. You can click the link in the description. Use it. I will get a small commission and a bonus for you as well. And start your investing journey. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, please hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below, or share it to your friend. And you can actually comment below kung anong index fund ang gusto mong i-invest. Let us grow our money together and secure our future. Disclaimer lang po, any securities, investment, ETF that was mentioned in this video is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Please invest at your own risk. Please do your research and your due diligence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.